Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Mansfield flush valve is probably one of the most crucial components in your toilet's functionality, ensuring a powerful and efficient flush every time you need it. If you've ever experienced a weak flush, a running toilet, or a flush that just doesn't seem to clear the bowl properly, the culprit is often an old or malfunctioning flush valve. This video dives deep into the world of Mansfield flush valves, exploring what makes them a top choice for homeowners and plumbers alike, and helping you understand why upgrading or replacing your current valve could be the simplest solution to many common toilet troubles. Number 5. Korky 427 BP Flush Valve Seal for Mansfield Toilets. This is the Korky 427 BP Flush Valve Seal, specifically designed for Mansfield toilets. It's the perfect replacement for your 2-inch flush valve seals, including part numbers 201 and 211. Quickly resolve running and leaking toilet issues with this essential part. You can eliminate costly water waste and enjoy a properly functioning toilet again. Proudly made in America, this flush seal is built to last. It also comes with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. Crafted from flexible rubber, it ensures a tight and reliable seal on your Mansfield flush valves. This means no more drips or leaks. This seal is your simple solution for common toilet repair needs. Get your toilet running smoothly and efficiently with this quality replacement part. What we like. This flush valve seal is designed for quick fixes to running and leaking toilets. If you are looking for a reliable, American-made part to stop water waste, this is a great choice. It offers a durable rubber seal for Mansfield flush valves and comes with a 5-year warranty. What people say. The Mansfield flush valve is a reliable component for toilets. It ensures a consistent and effective flush every time. The design allows for easy installation and maintenance. Number 4. Hygie Rinse Universal Front Mount Toilet Handle Replacement Kit. This is a front mount toilet flush handle. Please ensure your toilet is designed for front mounting, as it is not compatible with side mount toilets. Crafted from a zinc alloy handle with a chrome-plated finish, this lever is built for longevity and resistance to rust. Its elegant surface complements various bathroom styles. This package includes one front-mount flush handle and a stainless steel flapper chain. It's an ideal replacement for your old toilet tank kit, helping to prevent accidental flushes and conserve water. With a wrench width of about 3.1 inches and a lever length of 8.26 inches, this flapper chain is approximately 13.9 inches long. The 4-hole design allows for easy adjustment to fit most toilet tanks. Installing this toilet tank lever is a breeze. You can easily fix it by hand in just minutes, without the need for any tools. It provides a convenient and economical solution for your toilet. What we like. This toilet handle replacement kit features a durable zinc alloy handle with a chrome finish, designed to last. If you need a stylish and easy-to-install front-mount lever that is compatible with many brands, including Mansfield, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those looking to update their bathroom's look with minimal effort. What people say. The Mansfield flush valve is a high-quality replacement part that fits perfectly into most Mansfield toilets. It is designed for easy installation and provides a reliable flush every time. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Number 3. Korky Fits Mansfield Universal Toilet Flush Valve and Seal Kit 4033 BP. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of Mansfield toilet models, including 174, 208, 209, 210, and 211. It's a versatile solution for your toilet repair needs. Easily replace your old flush towers with this universal kit. It's compatible with both 1.6 and 3.5 gallon per flush tower styles, whether they are black or white. Crafted from long-lasting materials, this component is built to withstand regular use. Enjoy a reliable flush for years to come. Proudly manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. You can trust in its American-made construction. Everything you need for a successful replacement is in the box. The kit includes the flush valve seal, and a locking nut. What we like. This is a comprehensive flush valve and seal kit that replaces various Mansfield models, including both black and white flush towers. If you need a complete solution for your Mansfield toilet repair and prefer a product made in the USA, this kit is ideal. It includes the flush valve, seal, and locking nut for a full replacement. What people say. The Mansfield Flush Valve is a reliable and durable component for your toilet. Its design ensures a consistent and powerful flush every time. Easy to install and adjust, making maintenance a breeze. Number 2. LASCO 04-2108 Toilet Flush Valve. This complete kit helps you quickly swap out or replace worn toilet flush valves. It is designed to replace Mansfield 2-inch flush valves, ensuring a proper fit. Our replacement unit offers a universal fit for most 2-piece toilets with a 2-inch plastic thread. It's designed for easy integration into your existing setup. Say goodbye to water waste and high bills. This replacement unit effectively prevents water leaks caused by broken or worn-out parts. Get your toilet back in working order in no time. Installation is quick and straightforward, with all necessary components included in the kit. For over 80 years, Larson Supply has been a trusted, family-owned business. We provide thousands of plumbing products to help you complete your projects efficiently. What we like. This flush valve replacement unit is designed to quickly swap out worn parts and prevent water leaks in Mansfield 2-inch toilets. If you're looking for a simple, universal fit for most 2-piece toilets with a 2-inch plastic thread and a part from a long-trusted brand, this is a solid choice. It ensures a quick installation and reliable performance. What people say. The Mansfield Flush Valve is a great replacement part for older toilets. It is easy to install and works perfectly. The valve is made of durable plastic and is designed to last for years. Number 1. IMPRESA 2-pack Flush Valve Seal Kit. Keep your toilet performing optimally with our reliable flush valve seal replacements. These rubber gaskets ensure seamless integration with compatible plumbing systems. Upgrade your flushing power by replacing worn-out seals. Experience a quieter, leak-free toilet that enhances your bathroom. Installation is a breeze, requiring no removal of the toilet base. Enjoy a user-friendly experience that anyone can complete. Crafted from premium rubber, these seals withstand chlorine and other water chemicals. Ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. Designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, this offers a dependable alternative. It's a reliable choice for your plumbing needs. What we like. This 2-pack flush valve seal kit offers a durable, chemical-resistant solution for Mansfield models 210 and 211. If you're looking for an easy installation that doesn't require removing the toilet base and want to improve flushing efficiency while preventing leaks, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a long-lasting, reliable seal. What people say. The Mansfield Flush Valve is a reliable component for your toilet. It is designed for easy installation and maintenance. The valve ensures a consistent and powerful flush every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.